Hello Kamentors! I-demonstrate ko ngayon kung paano gamitin ang clone stamp and history brush tools. Okay, let's begin. So, mag-open lang tayo ng Adobe Photoshop. Let's say, and then mag-open tayo ng file. Let's say this one, si Ducky. Okay, so ang una natin gagamitin is the clone stamp tool. Kapag i-right click natin siya, meron siyang kasamang pattern stamp tool. So we will be using this one first. Okay, for clone stamp tool, ganito ang paggamit niya. So una, isi-set na natin yung brush size or the master diameter. Let's say, ang gusto nating i-kopya is yung sa eyes, no? Ni Ducky. So pwede natin siyang i-resize. Press lang natin yung right bracket or click natin yung master diameter dito. I-drag lang natin yung master diameter na slider. Okay? And then, after natin siya ma-resize, pindutin lang natin yung Alt key sa keyboard. Okay, as you notice, nag-change yung kanyang mouse pointer into this one. Okay, so, after that one, i-click natin. So, while holding your Alt key, i-click natin siya. And then, release. And then, kung halimbawa, gusto natin ikokopya yung mata na to doon sa kanyang, ulo, sa may upper part ng ulo niya, i-click na natin dito. Then, as you notice, okay, click, click, and click. As you notice, nakokopya na yung mata niya dito. Doon. Okay. Next, if we are going to use this pattern stamp tool, kung whatever pattern na nandito, yun lang ang ilalagay niya. Like, let's say, we will be using this one. Okay. Yun, ibabrush lang natin siya dito. As you notice, na-change yung kanyang texture into this pattern. But, I am not using this one. Kasi yung ginagamit ko lang yung clone stamp tool. Okay, or ang kanyang shortcut is letter S. So, press letter S. Halimbawa, nasa ibang tool tayo, when you press letter S, so that would be the clone stamp tool. Okay? Next is the history brush tool. Okay, ang purpose ng history brush, from the term history, pwede nating ibalik, okay, sa previous na state. Let's say, tatanggalin natin yung mata dito at saka yung nilagay natin dito na patterns. Just simply use this tool or letter Y for history brush tool. And then, ibabrush lang natin siya. So, as you notice, nawawala na yung third eye niya. And, yung pattern dito, ibabrush lang natin. So, na-restore natin siya sa previous na state. No, hindi po siya pwedeng gagawin kapag na-save na natin siya. Okay? Now, for art history brush tool, so may mga style dito, no? Mga pwedeng pagpipilian. So, let's say this loose medium. So, iganyan na natin. Pero iwan ko lang, no? Ano bang purpose nito? Ano pa bang pwede nating magagawa sa clone stamp tool? Okay, let's say ito. As you notice, this picture, ito yung old photo. Okay. So, pwede nating tanggalin yung mga dito. Like this one, yung may mga sira-sira na portion. Pwede natin siyang ma-restore gamit ang clone stamp tool. Okay, just be careful in doing this, no? Kasi dapat yung source natin na kokopyahin natin should be yung kapareho ng texture, no, na parang ipapatch natin. Okay, so let's say dito tanggalin natin siya. So, i-reduce lang natin ang brush size. Then, you press Alt. That means to determine your source. Alt, click, and then start brushing. So, as you notice, yung thin cross na mouse pointer, yan yung portion na kinokopya dito sa yung may circle area. Okay? Ayun. Then if you want to define another source, press Alt again, then click, and then you brush. Alt click and brush, Alt click and brush, Alt click and brush. So as you notice, unti-unti nang na-restore natin yung kanyang background. You can also do that dito sa kanyang image mismo. Okay? Diba, ito. You can use that clone stamp tool to restore this area. Okay, Alt click and then you brush. Alt click and you brush. Okay? Alt click and brush. Yan. Okay, careful lang tayo sa pag-brush natin. So, say for example, mayroon tayong i-restore ng, halimbawa, yung mag-open lang tayo ng pimple face. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, you can actually use this clone stamp tool aside from using the patch tool na tinuro natin sa previous na tutorial. Okay, so you can use the clone stamp tool. Resize na natin yung master diameter. Okay, you press right bracket as shortcut. Then i-zoom lang natin, Control plus. Okay, so first i-define lang natin yung kanyang source. So you have to click Alt. Let's say dito natin ito yung source natin na ipapatch natin dito. Okay? Ibig sabihin para siyang i-clone natin yung source natin dito. So let's say here, okay, Alt click and then start brushing. So as you notice, nawala yung pimple. Okay? So let's say meron tayong medyo detalyado na texture ng kanyang skin. So pwede nating babaan yung kanyang opacity. Let's say 20%. Or just simply press 2. Pag press natin ng 2, automatic dadagdagan niya ng 0 yan when you press enter. So your opacity becomes 20. Okay, so ang advantage ng using ng opacity 20 is paunti-unti niya yan. I-clone yung source doon sa affected area. Pinutin na natin yung Alt, then click. Okay? Yan. So without damaging the or changing the texture, okay, hindi siya 100% na kinopya natin yung source dito papunta dito. So magagamit natin yan, especially in refining the details sa skin. Okay, you can use that. Okay? Para hindi masyadong masira ang kanyang lalong-lalo na sa may portion sa may ilong, yung may mga curva or curvatures na pwede natin siyang i-clone. Sana po ay nakatulong ang video na to. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na videos na gagawin natin. Maraming salamat po.